Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore something truly fascinating, how to test raw black diamond at home, using simple methods that don't require expensive equipment. Black diamonds, also called Carbonado, are mysterious gemstones that look very different from the classic shiny white diamond. Because they often appear opaque and rough, many people confuse them with ordinary black stones like spinel or tourmaline. But today, I will guide you step by step through practical ways to check if the black stone in your hand might actually be a real raw diamond. The first method is the hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth, rated 10 on the Mohs hardness scale. If you take your stone and try to scratch glass or a piece of quartz, a real diamond will leave a scratch effortlessly. But be careful. Never scratch another diamond, because they can damage each other. Next is the density and weight test. Black diamonds are much denser than most common stones. If you hold one in your hand, even a small piece will feel heavier than it looks. You can compare your stone's weight with a similar-sized rock to notice the difference. Another method is the thermal conductivity test. Diamonds disperse heat extremely fast. If you breathe onto the stone, a real diamond will clear the fog in less than a second, while other stones stay foggy for longer. This is a quick and simple way to test at home. You can also examine the stone's surface and structure. Raw black diamonds usually have a metallic to submetallic luster, and under strong light you might notice tiny sparkles inside. Unlike glass or synthetic stones, black diamonds do not have bubbles or perfectly smooth textures. Instead, they often look grainy or have small pits on the surface. For those who love experimenting, you can try the water test. Drop your stone into a glass of water. Because diamonds are dense, they sink straight to the bottom quickly. Lighter stones may float or sink slowly. And finally, remember this: no single test is always 100% accurate. The best way is to combine several of these methods. If your black stone passes the hardness, the fog test and the weight test, then there is a good chance it might actually be a black diamond. Of course, the ultimate confirmation can only be made by a professional gemologist with advanced tools. But testing at home gives you a strong first impression and helps you separate ordinary rocks from potentially valuable treasures. So, next time you come across a mysterious black stone, you'll know exactly how to examine it like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who love gemstones and natural treasures. See you in the next video.